Hey everyone, welcome to our first video. This video is just to give you a little clue what's the channel about and what we'll be uploading in the future. We will be filming from this garage. It's called Show Vehicle Centre. It's based in the northeast of England. Stay with us in the next couple of minutes to find out more. This is Marin. I'm gonna film him while he works on the cars.
How many years of experience do you have?
It's almost 70 years.
17.
17, yeah.
You're hired
Where?
anywhere, pretty
Anywhere.
much. Any door is open.
This is Mark and he does the MOTs.
Job. Is it easy to get a tester job?
That's quite difficult. You need at least 5 years experience working on cars.
Oh, so you're a mechanic as well?
Yeah, and you need to do a training course and you need to pass tests as well. So it's not straightforward. You can't just
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, right.
Yeah.
No, it's not for me. I like easy takes.
So to start with, this is my personal car. I could hear ticking noise when turning left and right at lower speed, and this is what Marin found out.
So what is the ticking noise coming from?
It's coming for the CV joint or maybe it's the old drive shaft or only the CV joint, which is this one. This is the CV joint,
Okay.
and sometimes it's the inner CV joint. It's making this noise, and it's very hard to say which is outer or inner CV joint.
Is this normal to wear off on this type of car?
Yeah, for this mileage it's normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the mileage is quite high.
When the noise is going louder and louder, then you must change it. But for now, for a couple of months, it'll be alright. No problem.
Okay, right.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.